Dreamers, my name is Alyssia. If you're new to the channel, I am so glad to have you here. One item I hear people who transition to a low-carb lifestyle struggle with all the time is oats. They miss their oats, hot and cold, and today I am sharing some low-carb oats recipes, a hot porridge and an overnight oats. Both of these recipes are from my new low-carb meal prep recipes ebook, so be sure to get these recipes and more there. And check out my Keto 101 video if you're curious about how a low-carb lifestyle or a ketogenic diet works. First, let's check out this hot porridge. For meal prepping purposes, I'm adding coconut flour, ground flax seeds, hemp hearts, sweetener of choice, cinnamon, and salt to some jars. Thumbs up for omega-3s and those flax seeds and hemp hearts. Add the lids and shake to combine. Store until you're ready to use. To make them, add a cup of almond milk to a saucepan. Once bubbly, add the jarred mixture and allow to cook and thicken about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Feel free to add in some grass-fed butter or ghee to really make this flavorful. Once it's reduced and integrated, add your desired toppings and enjoy. You can also make this in the microwave, and I provide the directions for that in the ebook as well. This really tastes like hot cereal. It's so satisfying and super delicious. I was really surprised. If you want more low-carb recipes like this, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of new videos. You can also check out my low-carb breakfasts, lunch, and dinner video from earlier this month. For the cold oats, I'm meal prepping by adding hemp hearts, chia seeds, cinnamon, sweetener of choice, and a pinch of salt to a jar. I mix that together and store until I'm ready to make. The night before I want the oats, I add in coconut milk and mix to combine. Cover and refrigerate until morning. Stir it up. You can add more milk if you want to adjust the texture, and feel free to add toppings. I like sliced berries, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. This cold cereal is mushy just like regular overnight oats, and you're in control of the flavors with your added ingredients. If you're missing your oats on a low-carb lifestyle, you've got to consider these options. They'll be sure to satisfy and give you some new low-carb recipes that you can get excited to add to your collection. Are you a hot oats or a cold oats fan? What low-carb breakfasts are your favorite? Comment below and let me know. For even more low-carb recipes that are meal preppable, you've got to check out my new low-carb meal prep recipes ebook. It's got recipes for 10 breakfasts, including these I shared today, 10 on-the-go lunches, 10 dinners, and 5 snacks that are all low-carb and designed for meal prep. You can find it at mindovermunch.com/ebooks, along with my other new ebook. It's a vegetarian meal prep recipes. You can get 10% off either of these ebooks or any package of your choice this month only using the code KICKSTART at checkout. Happy almost weekend! We've got another very special episode for you coming on Monday, the final episode of our January series. I cannot believe it. I hope you're having a happy and healthy start to 2018. Thank you so much for joining us through this month and for your constant support. You guys are the most amazing community and you inspire me every day. I'll see you on Monday, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.